So myself and Jessica are going out today for our first kayak in the Bluey. The Bluey, is that what we're calling them?
No.
No, what are we calling them?
That's a child's cartoon show.
Oh, sorry. So what are we calling it? You have no idea?
Nope. But his name's not Blue.
I think we need to travel in it first, and then we'll give it its name after.
Yeah.
See if it's
like really bad.
let's see where they. Well, we'll find out, won't we?
Okay. Bye.
No. You gotta put the paddle straight there now. Here, look. Come over here and just hold the two paddles, right?
These are like the walking sticks.
I'll use my trident as a walking stick. Okay, you can get on there.
It's a bit chilly. Am I getting in?
Yeah.
Where's my feet? Hello.
That's how you hold it, right?
I could start going without you though.
Off with you, so.
Bye.
We'll see how long you last out there. Hold on now for me. Oh, let's see what happens.
Ready?
Huh? I was born ready.
Which way are we going?
We're gonna go right.
Don't do that.
We'll just test it,
Can't do what that would mean.
Right. I'm not touching you, you're drenching yourself by watching it.
Oh, look at that. I can just sit and relax.
Oh, look at the big crane.
What?
See the bird?
Where?
Over there in the trees, is it?
Oh, I don't think that's a bird.
Oh, I'm seeing things again, am I?
Go over to it. Alright, here, why we go inside? Would you do something?
Was a crane.
I figured you were just seeing stuff.
Easy, nice and easy. You don't want to tie your arms out, you know? Alright, let's see if the two of us do it together, yeah? So left, right, left, right, left, right. Sheep. Oh, you gotta watch it, don't you? It's like a dance, we gotta be synchronized.
Look at them. It's a llama. Wait, he's running. I want to see what he is. No, he's not. He's too fat to be a sheep. Stop the boat.
Please stop it. No, don't ever stick it in.
How do I stop a boat? Stop.
Alexa does not understand command, nor can I swim.
Right, so that was too strong, now you're turning, you see?
How we can turn?
Alright, let's say there was a boat coming right now, and I need you to turn the boat and go down there.
Where?
I need you to go down that way. So look, you're wrong way. So look, paddle backwards. Look.
Wait, we're spinning.
Yes, exactly. Look, paddle backwards. So you can turn the boat fast. You see?
I'm going against you.
Look. Just don't do anything there. Now stop.
Oh, no, what are they? No, they're not.
Kangaroos.
No, they're not.
The kangaroos, we have lots of kangaroos in Ireland.
No, we
You
don't.
should come to Ireland and see our kangaroos.
God, we're not in Australia.
We got crocodiles just lurking below the surface there, waiting to come out. Huh?
Why don't we capsize into them so...
Wanna catch a crocodile with your teeth?
Yeah. Yeah, yesterday morning.
Out here in Galway on Tuesdays. Catch crocodiles in our teeth. It's a sheep, like. I swear it was an actual crocodile. Thanks for rope. Rope. You ain't burning, you ain't learning. Can you stand up?
If I fall off, what you doing?
No. Go easy, Jesus. Go easy now. No, sit down.
Ow.
No, sit down.
Wait, let me try it.
No, sit down. We'll do it when we're ready to it. You did it. Alright, sit down.
I did it.
Jeez, well done, Jessica. Huh?
I couldn't jump.
True adventurer, huh? Left. Right. Left. Right. Come on, let me dance. In sync. Left.
I am not trying to speak.
When I dance, they call me Magarena, and the boys they say que soy buena. They all want me, they can't have me, so they all come and dance beside me. Move with me, chat with me, and if you're good, I'll take you home with me. Yeah.
Oh, you can feel the wind now. The lake is just out there, but we're going to go around to the right.
5. Why are we going towards the danger?
That's what we do.
No, just feel free, it'll bring you back. Just let go, it'll bring you back. Yeah. The current isn't doing its best job. Telling you why Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming, woo, sugar, to town. He knows when you are sleeping. He knows when you're all bad. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, yeah, Dad, that's my song.
Better watch out, I'm telling you why. I'll knock you off this kayak right now.
Dad, you just ruined my moment. Yeah.
Look at you, now you're trying to slap me like.
It was really funny
That's
though.
not working like that.
Dad, go fast. Fast! Again.
We go faster, the more we keep in sync. It will just get faster. And it won't when you keep the paddle in the water. That slow it right down.
No. Keep the paddle.
Oh, you're doing well. know. But it's kind of good that you were able to spin around there.
Like this?
Yes, like that.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, because there's a hole in your eye.
Now I can just stick you into the bushes. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Oh my god! I want you to go the whole time. Yeah. Bring him in with us.
My feet are already cold. My arse is hurting me so bad. It really is. The sea is just not for me.
You know, if we capsized,
Mm.
then your arse would be fine. Move up to the child seat.
How's that going to be helpful?
There's no hole in it.
No, my legs are too. Ow. Too tight.
Your chair's good.
You know.
Oh, your chair's
Oh, it's too tight. Like I have to admit, when I'm saying it really hurts, like it really hurts. Like the left leg there.
Just a whinger. We had to go out for a day.
Look how smart with me though. I splashed you straight in the face there. No, you wouldn't be too smart. Stop.
You regret saying that, don't you?
Do I?
Oh.
Do I? Do I? Do I? No, smart arse. Stop! Stop!
You have a camera eye.
Oh, look at my hand. Let's try that.
No! Don't do
Oh,
that!
look.
Don't try to distract me!
Is that him again? Look. Yeah. That's a different one.
That's really cold on my ear!
I know, yeah. Come on, let's go in here. Turn around and let's go.
You're so mean! I'm gonna tell him all here.
Come on now. Come on now. Go on now. Shimmy oh, shimmy eh.
La 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 la.
What kind of paddling is that now? Lazy paddling. Are you on your phone?
I don't even have my phone! My phone would be broken if it was here.
So is being on your phone better than this?
Yeah.
What? Get off the boat. Get off.
Can I?
No,
See?
not yet.
You know, it's really nice chilling here. I don't think I need my own boat.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to get a job, so. Huh?
Splash you again.
Oh,
No, you regret saying
no,
that.
right down my back. It's freezing.
You telling me that I can't be in the water for that long, but you literally splashed me with a whole cannon of water.
Yeah, well, it's getting closer to.
How did you splash with this thing?
Stop. You hit me with stop, like you just scraped my. Oh, you. Stop. Listen, seriously, you can't mess with the belly. One thing splashing would hit me. You want to be careful. Look, you pick it up like that. Look, the water. See? And that's how you get a good chunk of it. Oh, you're fuck. Stop. Alright, will you stop? Because you're actually going to hit me with it. You're doing it too hard.
Okay.
You have to do it with skill. When splashing someone in the face, look, you put paddle like this. Like this, look. That's how we do it. See, you just hit me, like. It's not fun if you just knock me out, like. You know?
Like this.
Oh, yes. Jesus.
Come on, fishy! You
Language. What was that? Huh? No. That now, Jessica. Why not? This is kids channel.
It's okay, you can blur me out with a dolphin mode.
Yeah. Can you make one? This is the weirdest dolphin I ever heard. Do that again. Huh?
You make a dolphin noise.
Oh, there's no way I can do that.
Well, there.
It's like Dory speaking whale. I'll see if I can make that noise.
Yeah, I hope so. I didn't even touch my face. You dim whistle.
Huh?
You're a dim whistle.
Dim whistle? What the hell is a dim whistle?
A word that came out of my vocabulary.
You're a whistle that can't whistle, so you're a dim whistle. You're not even good enough to be a real whistle.
Yeah. Come on. Come on, Betsy. Her name is Betsy. Okay? No, Betsy. Guess what?
Oh,
I was gonna say I can see our car! Can I get out now?
huh?
Can I get out?
You want to get out here? It's really deep.
Can I stand up?
I doubt it.
No, on the boat, bro.
Go on, try it, sir.
Don't leave my boat.
Yeah, just be careful if you fall off, though.
It's okay, if I fall off, I get to go swimming.
You are, Jessica. That's good. Oh, you like Moana?
I am the one that makes waves, make waves.
There you go.
For now it's time to move the village of motion music for you. To the light and the star and the ski, it calls me. And they all know, if you go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy in this island. Maybe I can rule with mine. Everything I take, every chance I try, every chance I take. Every road leads to jump off now.
No, relax, hold on, let me get up.
No, go away! Dad, it's my turn to shine!
Okay. Stand up in the one direction.
Yeah. It's okay, I can see it.
No, you almost snapped it.
It's okay, I have him. You're broke. Can I get off now? Can I jump? Are you sure I won't like die?
You better not.
What?
Go on. You're alright. The hat's behind your head though.
Huh?
The hat's behind your head. Come over here, look, I'll take the hat. Relax, you're good.
Yeah, hello.
You're good, you did that well.
Can I do it again?
Watch now, because that's stuck in your hair.
It's okay.
Yeah, but hold on now, because I don't want you to get hurt, right? But it would be cool to see if you could actually climb back up. So,
Put the drones in the bag.
yeah, but don't flip the boat, like just climb back up. You know, like if this was a real rescue situation, yeah? And you had to get back on the boat. So look, hold on, we're gonna come out here a little bit deeper, right? So you just stay holding on, right? Just so that you can try and get up. Now listen, you gotta hike yourself up, yeah? Up onto your stomach here, yeah? And then get your hands on the other end of the boat and pull yourself up. You can watch the oar doesn't hit you though, yeah?
Look at my feet, they're orange.
I know, yeah. Try it now though, go on, try it. Go on. Go on, it's okay, it's okay.
1, 2, 3.
Go on. You alright? Good girl, Jessica. I like that swimming. Watch your feet now.
You're chilly.
You reckon? Come on, sit in there and we'll go get you warmed
I
up.
want to jump off again.
You can do it again one more time if you want, but...
Yeah, bring me back out here.
Your shoes is messed up there.
It's okay, I don't need it. Let's go, bro.
Want to do it again, do you?
Yeah. How are we up there?
Fishing right there. So you gotta swim back to the shore there and then we get on and we have to go get warm. It's pretty cold for you.
Ready?
Yeah, hold on. I want to get that down.
I could do this all day.
That's it. Whatever you want. Yeah.
Me, you, McKenna, and Caitlin should all do this.
Battery's going dead.
We can all jump. Tell the paddle to go away. Go away. Come on, wait. Wait, I nearly had that way.
Oh, yeah. Maybe it'd be easier to get your leg up there, maybe?
No, my knee can't do that.
Oh, okay. What? Yes! Yes! Good job, well done. That was impressive, Jessica, that was impressive. Very good. Now,
See the light in the sky and the sea. Good job.
yeah, but that way because you don't want to hit the paddle.
Can I get out there?
Now paddle fast so we can get up the ramp with this thing.
Whoa. Don't ruin my vibe. Can I jump off that?
No, it's not deep enough.
Woo. I think it's fast. Yes. Woo. Can I get in?
Well, you want to go in?
Yeah.
Go on, so.
You jump in.
Come on.
Jump over there.
You can't jump, I'm telling you, it's too shallow.
Oh, you're so boring.
So you can't just jump into something when you don't know the depth of it, you get me? You can't,
You can. You
that's
might
how,
die, but sure.
yeah, exactly, that's how people die.
I'll keep that on you in case something tangles to your foot.
Yeah? Find what? Yeah, it's kind of like mixed up with rocks, so it's tricky enough. I think there's a little patch there, but it's not really that deep here, you know?
I want it to be.
Huh? It is cold. Oh,
Do something that I can jump off.
there's nothing here, there's no bottom. I have to go somewhere else for jumping off, but you know.
Go back up.
Huh?
Go back up.
Yeah, another day, but if this water's anything to go by, Jesus, it's cold. You're shivering now, come on. I'm serious, come on now. I can't have you shivering like that, come on.
But look.
I know, you're in it much longer too, come on. Come on, seriously, I have to get you warm.
You bore me, goodbye.